The 5 Rethink scenarios are organized into 2 categories. The first 3 scenarios explore the already shifting real estate industry landscape and help us think through immediate strategic responses that will be critical to our long-term success. Each scenario explores the interplay between technology, consumer demands and behavior, innovation, capital markets, policy, and demographic patterns. They are arranged by the nature and pace of the industry change they explore, from slower incremental changes to rapid game-changing shifts. These scenarios help us consider futures with slower than expected changes. These changes, which are already underway, continue but with fewer surprises. These scenarios help us rehearse for disruptive, game-changing shifts resulting from fundamental changes in the environment. Based on current trends, debates, and emerging ideas, these future worlds are intentionally designed to challenge conventional wisdom. The last 2 scenarios look ahead 10 years, exploring longer-term shifts in society's relationship with home ownership and the American dream. They look at the potential role for agents and for the real estate industry as a whole. These scenarios help us play with possibilities, rehearsing how we might respond to different possible futures. But they also help us consider a larger question: what is the future we wish to shape?